If you have at least one of these robot vacuum cleaners, I have two tips for you. One is use these magnetic stripes that you can buy at Amazon to prevent the cleaner from going into a certain room, or if it is in an office space, because these magnetic stripes will simply prevent it from passing it. So you can have it, because typically if you have a larger house or it is an office with multiple rooms, one is simply not enough. You need multiple of them, and you need to be sure that they go into the right rooms. So you can direct them with these magnetic stripes. So that was tip number one. Tip number two is, at some point, you're gonna experience that these swipers, they're gonna be crooked. This is how you uncrook them, instead of having to buy a new one at Amazon. So you have a bowl, you have this stick here, and then you put your swiper in the bowl, you pour on some boiled water, and then you take it up, and you can see it's already straightened out, but you can also help it and kind of do that forth and back a few times, but it's gonna be as good as new. That was tip number two. Have a wonderful day.